Here the given question is a quadratic equation whose roots are tan 22.5 degrees and cot 22.5 degrees is. So here they're asking us to find out the quadratic equation of the given roots. So let us assume alpha equals tan 22.5 degrees and beta equals cot 22.5 degrees. We know the values of tan 22.5 degrees and cot 22.5 degrees. Tan 22.5 degrees equals root 2 minus 1 and cot 22.5 degrees equals root 2 plus 1. We can say that alpha equals root 2 minus 1 and beta equals root 2 plus 1. So here the required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta equals 0. So we need to substitute the values of alpha and beta. So that becomes x square minus the value of alpha is root 2 minus 1. So instead of alpha we write the value of alpha, which is root 2 minus 1, plus in place of beta we write the value of beta. So the value of beta is root 2 plus 1. So plus root 2 plus 1 times x plus alpha beta, that means alpha times beta. So that becomes root 2 minus 1 times root 2 plus 1 equals 0. So here minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. Here root 2 minus 1 times root 2 plus 1. So this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b times a plus b equals a square minus b square. We know that. So let us write this as x square minus 2 root 2 times x plus, and here we can write this as in this form. So that becomes root 2 square minus 1 square. So this root and this square gets cancelled. So we are left out with x square minus 2 root 2 times x plus 2 minus 1 equals 0. We know that 2 minus 1 is 1. So finally the equation becomes x square minus 2 root 2 x plus 1 equals 0. So here is the quadratic equation. Thank you.